Hello friends, nice to see you again. Welcome to Momo's Happy Kitchen. Let's have fun and start our easy cooking journey together. Today we are going to steam chicken fillet with winter melon, which is simple to make and suitable for most people's tastes. Hurry up and save the recipes, and click to follow my channel because you will receive simple recipe videos I upload every day for free. If you are willing, please give me a like to give me the greatest support and encouragement. Thank you all for your support. YouTube. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. Let's start cooking. Winter melon, chicken fillet, ginger, chopped ginger, Winter melon, remove skin and seeds, then slice it. Don't cut too thin as it'll taste better after cooked. Place winter melon into steam plate. Sliced chicken breast meat. TSB Shaoxing wine, 1 TSB light soy sauce, 1 TSB light oyster sauce, 1 TSB light ginger powder, 1 TSB salt, 1 TSB cornstarch. Place chicken fillets on winter melon. Sprinkle chopped ginger on top. Steam with high flame for 15 minutes. Steamed chicken fillet with winter melon is done. Smells so good. Plate it. The winter melon soup is very fresh and sweet, and the chicken is delicious. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right?
Regular consumption of winter melon may help promote digestive health, destroy harmful free radicals that may cause disease, improve eye health, boost the immune system, prevent migraines, increase energy levels, and help fight against cold and flu.
To eat it, you must first peel off the skin since it's not edible. Winter melon improves cognitive abilities and fights anemia. It is well known for its ability to soothe burnt skin and heal damaged tissues. Also, it may be used by people suffering from severe headaches to provide relief. Winter melons are low in calories and are ideal for people aiming for weight loss and those with diabetes. In studies, winter melons could help reduce blood sugar in those with type 2 diabetes mellitus. There are more delicious sweet potatoes recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.